Uh, do you remember we did an experiment last time, right? Sorry, I'm going to use some picture from 9S. I think this is taken by, yeah, we did it last time in 9S. And 9A also do it, but maybe I did not take photo last time. And I'm going to blur the face because how to do that? Add one more. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to share the screen again. I think we do have some students join from other class. I'm not sure whether your teacher do the same experiment. I think the teacher should do the same experiment, but double check aja. This is the typical of the experiment. Yeah, I think you know whose hair is this and this girl's. Yeah, this is the electrical conductivity test. Yeah, remember, will you have to set up the apparatus and then I'll explain about the procedure. Yeah, jadi like I said earlier. Yeah, and then for the electrical conductivity, it's actually the same. Yeah, you can just use the alligator clip and then use the apa namanya the probe ya, the electrical conductivity probe. For this one, I can just give it to you. So, yeah, here ya. Can you see this one? Okay, now you have to use electrical conductivity probe. Okay, electrical conductivity probe. Ya, ini. And then you have to use speaker. Ya, annotate ya. This one. Kan ini, this one is the lab quest. Lab quest. And then this one is electrical conductivity probe. Conductivity probe. And then you have the electrode, and then also the sample, yeah. Then this is the bulb, just in case you want to double check also by using. And then this one is the battery, okay. Nah, nanti tinggal let's check aja, look at the value and also look at the uh, brightness of the bulb, okay. And the last one, the procedure, yeah, what is missing so far is the melting point. I think melting point is very simple. Just make sure you have the substance, yeah, make sure it is solid state. You weight the same mass, yeah, weight the same mass. And after that, you will put it inside the boiling test tube. And then you can just set the temperature or just use the same Bunsen burner, yeah, uh, the same source of Bunsen burner so that it will give the same amount of heat. And after that, you can just check what happened. Okay, when you check what happened, pay attention when they become liquid kan. Karena kan melting itu changing of state from solid to become liquid form atau molten state-nya. Nah, pay attention with that. And then, oh yeah, ini one more thing. I remember we also have grade A, right? Okay, for grade A, this is reflecting on your result for grade A part 1. I still found some students forget to explain about this. For example, why NA from NA plus? Why not Na2 plus? Do you know the reason? It has to be from the electrical configuration ya. Jadi if you have Na configuration kan 281 ya. If you lose one electron, it will be make sense, right? It will be make sense. Why? Because it will become stable. Tapi if it is 2 plus, it will become 2.7, which is not stable, doesn't lead to stability. Therefore, forming that ion is not possible. Jadi depend on the charge ya.
look at the charge and also depend on the number of electrons that they will have in the outer cell. If that formation atau if that charge does not explain about the amount of electron in the outer cell, then you can just ignore it atau you can just double check. Now, one more thing, maybe what else? Yeah, one more thing. Let me check again. Or any question from you? We do have 5 minutes left. Yeah, maybe if there is a question, feel free to ask now. Grade A, I think only like that. Even if I miss something, we can still discuss in the class. Yeah. Grade B aja dulu. For now, what is more important is grade B. And for grade B, we actually are done. We have covered all of them. We have covered all of them. And to just recheck the information given in the manage back. There's so many information like in manage back actually. Please check that. Yeah. Uh, if you still have a question later on, you can ask me. I will open discussion. I have around 3 minutes left, so I will open for discussion. If you have a question, is this for all criterion B? Yeah, this is actually cover all, even criterion C also. Criterion C the same like this, yeah. Basically just process your data aja, make it the table, make it the graph, yeah, just make the graph, and later on you draw conclusion, interpret, ini the same. It can be used for all. Jadi today's extra class 2 can be used for A, B, C. Any other question? I think I have. Will the recording of this be posted? Yeah, as usual. It is in the management. It is posting in YouTube. Will Is it iron are not possible because of that? What is this? The iron are not possible because of what? Because if it is 2 plus, it will have only 7 electron in the outer shell, which not lead to or which does not lead to stability. Therefore, it is less likely for Na to form Na2 plus. It will be more likely to form Na plus only. Can you draw the electrical conductivity as a circuit? I want to see the example. Okay. The circuit, yeah, if you want to see as an example, just simple one, you can just use alligator clip, connect to electrode, yeah, just make two alligator clip, and then this is two electrode, dip it to your beaker, yeah, look like this, yeah, a bit deeper, yeah, like this, and then connect to battery, sorry, off dulu, and then this one connect to battery, this is battery. And then if you use like conductivity probe, yeah, you can just put it here ya. For example, ini conductivity probe-nya. Ini connect to likewise. Yang ini yang conductivity probe. Oke, probe ini electrode. This one is power supply, PS, power supply. This one is the bulb. It's better for you to prepare to make the procedure aja. Coba buat prosedurnya, how to do it step by step. I have given you the written information, right, last time, and you can just actually follow the same procedure. Okay. The last one, apa lagi ya? Udah sih sebenarnya overall udah. Any other question before we dismiss? It's already time. Anything else? Anything else? 1 minute left. Lab quest. Ya, lab quest itu sebenarnya additional tool aja. Because if you use the bulb, sometimes you cannot distinguish which one is apa namanya, which one conduct more electrical, sorry,
which solution is actually better electrical conductivity. Karena kan you don't see the value, you only see the intensity of the bulb, right? Which is a bit difficult. Let's say one is uh, apa ya? How do you say dim, dim, redup, not really strong. And then kalau totally dead kan is clear like this zero. Tapi kalau very bright, it is a good electrical conductor. Tapi kalau dia redup atau dim itu nanti you can just explain it's not that strong tapi still good atau still can conduct electricity. What else? I think that's all. Okay. The time is already. Oh, ada question one more. For the acid grid testing, you missed the session. Yes. I do not know who are you science. The name is science, but yes, grid B, part